Hey y'all, it's your girl T Honor. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey y'all, today I'm coming at you with a huge grocery haul, y'all. So, I went to Walmart, Sam's, Dollar Tree, and Big Lots, and that's it. All right, so we're about to go through this real quick because we got hubby on the other side, and y'all
ain't got no patience.
He ain't got no patience for nobody. So we're gonna start in here. I tried to separate the stuff for y'all by
we ain't got time to show all this off.
I got too much stuff. I couldn't do it like that.
We can't.
So we're gonna start right here on the floor. I got from Sam's. I got this box. You can start showing them. I got this box of tissue, y'all. My stove got the tissue again, so I had to go ahead on and get it. I tried to get two, but they got a limit on the tissue. But I would definitely be going back, since I know that they got a limit, and get me some more tissue because I refuse to run out of tissue, y'all. Which I gotta stockpile, but I'm trying to build up my stockpile. All right, y'all. So let's go on to the table.
I'm right here.
All right, right here. Okay. Yeah. So from Dollar Tree, I got 3 things of aluminum foil, 2 things of the parchment paper. I got me some more scrub pads, so when we do dishes, you ain't even, just back it up some, because you ain't even showing it like you need to or nothing. Okay, the scrub pads. I got 3 of the Colgate toothpaste. This is my favorite toothpaste, y'all. And I got some bowls from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know this is always in our house when I do the house supply hauls for grandma. This is her muscle rub, y'all. You need to back up some. That's what it is. This is the icy hot muscle rub. She like it. If it works, I don't know because I don't use it, y'all. I got 4 of those. I got 3 of the 40 count trash bags because we always run on trash bags and stuff like that for the bathroom garbage and the bedroom trash cans and stuff like that. Then I got another bag of the 35 count of the washing powder, the liquid pods, and I also got the snuggle pods. I'm just gonna refill my thing, huh?
It's dark too.
Hold on. Stop it real quick. Sorry, y'all. It was dark in the beginning, but now I got the light on for you so you can see. But, yo, all this came from the Dollar Tree right here, y'all. Then, I got me got grandma some muscle rub. I got 2 of those. This came from the Dollar Tree. I told y'all about the Snuggle and the fabric softener and the washer powder pods. The liquid though. And then I got 2 of the AA batteries from the Dollar Tree. Can never have too many batteries around your house, y'all. You just need them for something all the time, okay? Then I got grandma some of these multivitamins. I got those from Sam's, and you get 400 tablets in this bottle. I think it was like $11. It was like $12. Let me put it was $12 for the 400 tablets, which is good to me. They had the hand sanitizer, y'all. It was 4 in the pack, so I got that. I forgot how much it was though. At Sam's, that came from Sam's. I got 2 of my favorite dish detergent I always get on my hauls from Sam's. Don't like to run out. I bought some of this
ain't good.
Jumex.
It ain't good.
Peach nectar.
It ain't good.
Hold on. Oh, it's different kind. You got the peach and the mango in here. So I got this to mix with when I make smoothies and stuff like that. You know, you got to have some fruit juice, so that's why I bought this to mix with my fruit smoothies and stuff like that. All right, moving right around the table. Okay, so I got me a kitchen digital scale, and I got that from Walmart.
To weigh them ounces.
And then I got some snow crabs, and I got these from Walmart as well, y'all. Moving right along around the table. Did I tell y'all about the Jello? We got some Jello. This Jello pretty good, y'all. This not the sugar-free. Oh, this is the sugar-free. Shit. I could have got the twin pack then if I would have known this was sugar-free. But anyway, I got 2 of these. And then, I got Bae some Kool-Aid. Y'all know Bae love Kool-Aid now. We ain't never stopped drinking Kool-Aid, okay? So we love Kool-Aid. So they got some, I got them some blue, some strawberry, I guess this strawberry berry fin, and pink lemonade. I didn't get him all those different kinds because this is what I know he'd like to drink. Then I got me some of these to add to water. I got some sweet tea. I got the pink lemonade. And I got the fruit punch. Y'all let me know how this one right here tastes. I bought it. I like sweet tea. Grandma wanted some sweet tea, but you know, shit, I bet you can't have all the sugar and stuff like that. Could have bought her some green tea and all that, but Grandma ain't gonna drink that stuff like that. So I didn't even bother even getting it. So I just got this. We're gonna try this one number $1 something. Hey, I ain't worried if she don't drink it, and if I don't drink it, I ain't worried about it. We ain't losing out on nothing. All right, so let's go in the kitchen. All right, y'all, so now we over in the kitchen and I have a lot of shit. Okay, we're gonna start right here on the floor. I got 2 of the 45 count water from Sam's. I got 2 more. Listen, we don't want to run out, y'all. Okay, so come on up here. Then I got some seasonings. I got onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper from Sam's. I got my minced garlic. I got some brown gravy. I got some paprika. And I got some seasoning salt. All right, that's it for the seasonings. What this is. Down here from Walmart, I got some pineapple juice. And I got some cranberry pomegranate juice. I also got 2 bags of sugar. 2 of the little bags of sugar. I got 2 twin packs of the canola oil. I got a bag of grits. Okay, back up here. From Sam's, I got a bag of spinach. Y'all can tell that I'm trying a little different type of food. Y'all, we're gonna try to eat a little bit better. Just a little bit.
You gonna try to eat better.
Well, all of us. Anyway, so I got some spinach. I got some bananas. I got 2 of those. That came from Sam's. I got some spring mixed salad. I got some green onions. I got some squash. This Walmart, because I know somebody gonna ask. This spinach came from Sam's, bananas from Sam's, and these squash is from Walmart. I bought 1 avocado because I never had avocado before, so I wanted to try me avocado and see how I like it. So I got that from Walmart.
Remember, you want to try avocado.
I ain't gonna make you try it because I don't even know what it tastes like. I got some carrots and I'm gonna be shredding these and stuff like that. So that's why I got this. I got that from Sam's. It was only like $2 and something for that big bag of carrots. And you know it's only like $1.
Eat carrots.
It's like $1 and something for 1 bag at Walmart, and it's smaller than that. All right, so let's see. Back down here again, I got some mustard. That came from Sam's. I got the ketchup come from Sam's. And I got these twin pack of apple juice. That come from Sam's. The grease came from Sam's too, y'all. This came from Walmart. I bought some salmon. Some shrimp. I got 3 bags of shrimp. All that come from Walmart. Back up here. That means I got to stay bent over. Come on. All right, listen, too fat for all that, okay, honey? Listen, you ain't big, so you don't know how it work out, huh?
You want me to tell you got oatmeal?
No, I ain't got no oatmeal. Okay, that ain't no oatmeal, baby, that's grits. Okay, so I got some kiwi, y'all, from Sam's. I got some grapes right here.
You gotta pick it up.
From Sam's, y'all. That's a big old thing of grapes, too, child. Got that. I got me some goldfish. I got some crackers. The goldfish came from Sam's, cracker came from Walmart. Then I got 2 of the 4-pack of tuna fish from Walmart. I got a thing of orange juice. Y'all, look what I found from Dollar Tree. Right here, you get the Monster Sour Pops Blue Raspberry, and you get 12 in the bag for $1. Honey, you know you can't beat that. And they good, okay? And this one, they got the pink lemonade. So I got 3 of the pink lemonade, and I got 2 of the blue one. All right, so those came from the Dollar Tree. It's blue raspberry lemonade. Okay, so trying to hurry up so I can get my stuff in there so it don't be freezing in the freezer. I mean, so it don't melt. I got me some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I get that from Walmart. I got me some honey from Walmart. I got me some raspberry vinaigrette. I want to try that. I don't know how it tastes. I went with this one because in comparison with the price, of the other ones. I was like, well, let me just try this one and see how it tastes. So I'll let y'all know how I like it. I got me some Italian dressing. I love Olive Garden dressing, but I never tried the light, so I'm gonna try the light and see how I like it. I got me some Old Bay seasoning. I got some all this right here came from Walmart. So I got the wing sauce that come from the Dollar Tree. I bought me some blue cheese. I'm gonna be using this tonight. Okay, see how I like that. I ain't never tried the blue cheese. I got some tomatoes. These is the little cherry tomatoes, and they come from Sam's. So I got those. And then I got a head of cauliflower. I was thinking about ricing some cauliflower, but honey, I don't know if I got time for all that, because I ain't got time for the fake taste of rice. If it's gonna be cauliflower, I'm gonna just cook it like cauliflower should be cooked. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. We're gonna see. All right, I might buy me a little small bag of the rice cauliflower and see how I like it before I mess up this cauliflower, because I know I can eat this like it is. All right, so over here I got that cauliflower from Walmart too. All right, so then I just went ahead and got some of these beef pot pies. I got 6 of those from Walmart. I got 2 bags of the sweet potatoes that come in the bag for like $2 and something from Walmart. So I got some sweet potatoes, and then I got some cute. What you talking about? What for?
Who would eat that?
Sweet potatoes is good.
I don't know what you.
Boy, okay. You don't know nothing about them. All right, then I got some cucumbers. I bought some asparagus. This is good. I bought some. You gonna eat it? No, I bought some. I'm cooking, so you gonna eat it. Your ass gonna starve. One of them. You can't say I did it to you. I bet your shit good. All right. Anywho, I got some asparagus. And I never really tried asparagus myself. I tried it when it was cooking in the Sam's, and it was good. So I was like, well, I'm going to just get me some and see how we like it or whatever.
Hey, yo, we in there.
Then I bought a bag of lemons from Sam's. From Walmart, I bought 2 of the raspberry simply lemonade. From Walmart, this come from Sam's. This a bag of the pink, what is it, a pink something. I thought they was the pink, pink lady apples. I got those from Sam's. From Sam's, I also got a bag of broccoli. Then, come this way so I can, let's get right here real quick. Then from Sam's, I got this box of instant grits. But Grandma went over, she wants some grits or something like that, and they ain't got to worry about cooking grits, okay? Then I got some of these masks from Sam's. They was like about $15 for 50 masks. That was pretty good. Cause I done seen, they had 50 masks and it was like $50. The devil is a lie, honey. I will try, please, honey. We'll wrap towels around us before I spend $50 on some masks. All right. Then at Sam's, I bought this box of flushable wipes. Wipes. They call wipes. I don't know what I was thinking of. Then I got some of this Activia yogurt. Some of this yogurt. And I got a bag of French fries from Walmart. All right, so moving right along. Come on over here. Sorry. Come on over here, sugar. All right, from Walmart, I got some provolone cheese. I got 2 bags of sweet potato fries. I got a pack of candy yam sweet yam patties from Walmart. I got some almond vanilla milk from Walmart. I never tried this, y'all. Hey, I told y'all I'm trying some stuff. So we're going to see how we like it. Okay. I bought some wonton strips to go on my salads and stuff. I got some egg rolls. Y'all know I got to have the egg rolls. Got to have the egg rolls, okay? Oh, I bought 8 pot pies because there's 2 more right here. All right, then from Walmart, I got this ultimate meat pizza, and it was like $8, I think it was. So we got this. Honey, I ain't cooking tomorrow, so pizza's on the menu for dinner tomorrow. All right, then I have a bag of tilapia. That comes from Walmart. I got a bag of mandarin oranges. I bet he eat these. He liked these, y'all, the little cuties. I got those from Sam's. I got another bag of rice. I didn't run out of the one that I had, but I went ahead and bought another one because y'all know I'm trying to buy my little, non-perishable or perishable, whatever you call them, items and stuff to stock up on them. So I got that. I got that come from Sam's. Then from Sam's I got the 2 loaves of the Wonder Bread. Okay, so then I went to Big Lots, and I go to Big Lots to get, like, you know, my utensils, like my plasticware, paper plates, paper towels, stuff like that. Okay, so all right, y'all. So from Big Lots I got the paper plates. It's 100 in a pack, and they like $2.65. And then I got 2 of the paper towels to get 8 rolls in here for $4.95. So I think that is it for my haul, y'all. Oh no, it ain't. I got a bag of from Sam's. I bought a big bag of mangoes. The ones that's cut up and frozen. The strawberries, and the blueberries, but those is outside because they started melting. But that is it for the haul, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this haul. I hope y'all see something that y'all like, that y'all might want to get. If there's something over here that y'all done tried, that y'all like, let me know in the comments what y'all done tried off my grocery list that I got, because a lot of stuff that I have this time I ain't never tried before. So hopefully we like it, because I don't like the way it's groceries. Alright, y'all. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Until next time, you already know who this is. This is who? This is who? Hey, y'all. It's your girl, T. Honor. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 y'all. Good night, good night, good night, y'all. I love y'all. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you. See you later. Have a good weekend. Y'all enjoy yourself. It's gonna be weekend. Y'all might see this video during the week. But anyway, I love y'all. Y'all have a good one.